The hope of the business mogul Ramon Adedoyin was dashed penultimate on Thursday as the appeal court sitting in Akure, the Ondo state capital, insisted that Adedoyin must die by hanging as initially pronounced by an Osun State High Court October 2024 before it was appealed by the family. The judge, Justice Omoleye, said the court upheld the Osun court that Adedoyin must die by hanging and nothing more. Our staff reporter Timitope Adedeji has more.
Justice Oyebisi Omoleye of the Court of Appeal in Akure, Ondo State, has upheld the death sentence handed to Dr. Raymond Adedoyin, a prominent hotel owner, for his involvement in the murder of Timothy Adegoke, a former master student of Obafemi Awolowo University, Ile-Ife. Delivering a judgment on Thursday, the judge insisted that the appellate court affirmed the verdict of Osun State High Court, which had sentenced Adedoyin to death. Fatima Adesina, respondent to Osun State government, said the court has indeed done justice to what is expected of it.
Obviously, 3 appeals were filed separately one by Dr. Ramon Adedoyin, the other one by Oyetunji Kazim, and the third one by Adeni Aderogba. The 3 of them were contesting the decision of the trial court, convicting them for conspiracy to kill, unlawful killing, accessory after the fact, and some other various offenses. So by the judgment just delivered now, today, by the Court of Appeal, the court has upheld the conviction by the trial court for those various offenses, especially for conspiracy to kill, unlawful killing, accessory after the fact, and some other offenses. But however, the court quashed certain aspects of the decision of the trial court, especially the decision that relates to the order of the trial court mandating the respondent, the convicts, to be responsible for the education of the children of the deceased Timothy Adegoke. The court, in its judgment today, held that for convictions, the jurisdiction of the court is limited to the statutory provisions as to the penalty provided by the law. So the statutory provision is either the trial court complies with the maximum penalty or the minimum. So anything outside the two, the court will not have jurisdiction to so do. So on that basis, the conviction of the appellant, Dr. Ramon Adedoyin, that he will be responsible for the education of the deceased, forfeiture of his property to the state government, have been quashed by the Court of Appeal.
The Court of Appeal, which reserved its judgment on the matter on October 29, 2024, declared the judgment of the High Court of Osun State, Adedoyin's appeal, is dismissed in part. The Court of Appeal held that Adedoyin was properly convicted and sentenced to death appropriately. However, the appellate court set aside some aspect of the lawyer's court's orders. It ruled order of forfeiture of Eaton Hotel quashed and set aside order of education scholarship to children of Timothy Adegoke by Adedoyin, and order quashed and set aside term. Adegoke's death was reported in November 2021 after he was discovered lifeless at the Hilton Honors Hotel, Ile-Ife, where he had lodged. Temitope Adedeji reporting for KAFTAN TV News.